Hello students, today we will see the practice set 1.5 which is based on word problems. There are total 6 examples in this practice set 1.5. From that we will see one by one the examples. First one is two numbers differ by 3, means their difference is 3. So let us consider the greater number as x and the smaller number as y. Therefore, as they differ by 3, so the equation will be according to the first condition, we'll get the equation x minus y is equal to 3. Let this be equation 1. Now, let us see what is second condition. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. That is 3 times the greater number, 3x, twice the smaller number, 2y, and their sum is 19. So the equation will be 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. Equation number 2. Hence we got two equations, that is x minus y is equal to 3 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. Now these two equations you can solve them simultaneously to get the values, separate values of x and y. This you can do, how to solve the equation simultaneously. Okay. Now, second example. Let us see what is second example. They have given a box and in the box they have written I am a rectangle, and here they have given the values of the sides of the rectangle. First side is 2x plus y is equal to 8. Second, x plus 4. Third, 4x minus y. And fourth, 2y. Now we know the property of rectangle that opposite sides are equal. So let us use this property. So we'll get first equation as 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. What we have taken, opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Now let us solve this equation. 2x minus 4x plus y, minus y will change to plus y is equal to minus 8. Plus 8 bring to other side, it will change to minus 8. 2x minus 4x minus 2x plus y 2y is equal to minus 8 will be equation first. Now to get second equation, compare these two sides. Consider these two sides to be equal. So I'll get 2y is equal to x plus 4. Transfer x to the left side. Minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation number second. So first equation we got minus 2x plus 2y equal to minus 8. And second equation minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now these two equations you can subtract to get the values of x and y separately. Now let us consider the third example. Third example is the sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. Let the son's age be x years and father's age be y years. So according to first condition, what is the first condition given? Sum of means addition of twice the age of son. Twice the age of son means 2x, and father's age, their addition is 70. So this will be equation first. Now let us see what is second condition. If we double the age of father and add it to the age of son, we are adding son's age and father's age. But what the condition is given, that 2 times double the age of father. So equation will be x plus 2y is equal to 95. That will get equation second. Now these two equations you can solve simultaneously to get the values of x and y separately. Now let us consider fourth example. Now let us consider the fourth example. Fourth example is denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Let us consider the numerator as x and the denominator as y. So the fraction will be x upon y. Now let us see what is first condition. denominator of a fraction, so y is equal to 4 more than twice the numerator. 4 more means plus 4 and twice the numerator means 2x. Now arrange the terms in a standard way. Take 2x to LHS, you will get minus 2x plus y is equal to 4 as equation first. Now let us read the second condition. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. So we are subtracting here 6 from the denominator as well as numerator. So y minus 6 and x minus 6. We are subtracting 6 from the denominator and the numerator. And what condition is given? That denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. So if you open the bracket, you will get y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 72. Now transfer this 12x to this side, you will get minus 12x plus y is equal to, transfer minus 6 to this side, you will get 72 plus 6 minus 12x plus y is equal to 78. Equation number second. Now first equation and second equation, solve them simultaneously by equating the coefficient method to get the values of numerator and denominator, that is x and y. Now let us see fifth example. What is fifth example? Two types of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. Now 1 ton is 1000 kg. So 10 tons will be equal to 10,000 kg. Now what is the capacity of the truck? It is 10 tons. So 10 tons convert in kg, you will get 10,000 kg. Let the weight of the type A box in the truck be x kg and weight of type B box will be equal to y kg. Now what is the condition given? If there are 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. So multiply with 150 to x and 100 to y. So what equation you will get? 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000 kg. Now divide by 10 to reduce the equation, you will get 15x plus 10y is equal to 1000. Equation number 1. Second condition, when 260 boxes of type A, that is 260x, plus 40 boxes of type B, means 40y, is equal to 10,000. Again it will be equal to the same 10,000 kg. So here also you can divide by 10 to reduce the equation. You will get 26x plus 4y is equal to 1000. Equation second. Now these two equations, solve them simultaneously. Now the last example, that is sixth example. Out of 1900 kilometer, means total distance is 1900 kilometer. Vishal traveled some distance by bus. So let the distance traveled by bus be equal to x kilometer and some by aeroplane. So let the distance traveled by aeroplane is equal to y kilometer and total distance is 1900 kilometer. So first equation you will get x plus y is equal to 1900. Write that as equation 1. Now use the formula time is equal to distance upon speed. Bus travels with average speed of 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. He is taking total time as 5 hours. So distance upon speed we have taken. Distance x, speed 60. It is for bus. So x upon 60 plus distance for aeroplane y. Speed of the aeroplane 700. So equation will be x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to total time taken, that is 5 hours. Now this I have cross multiplied. 700x plus 60y upon denominators also multiply, you will get 42,000 is equal to 5. Then this 42,000 you cross multiply, you will get 700x plus 60y is equal to 5 into 42,000. So 700x plus 60y is equal to 2,10,000. Now divide by 10 to reduce the equation, you will get 70x plus 6y is equal to 21,000. Now solve this first equation and second equation simultaneously. Students, you are supposed to solve these examples, find out the values of x and y, and if any doubts, let me know it on the group. Okay.